Hello friends, in the previous video what we have learned how we can create the HTML form. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn box sizing. What is the box sizing? Box sizing have the border box. Why we are putting this in the universal selector? Basically box sizing we are using to decrease the padding, extra padding in the any of the tag. Let's assume I have added here input type text and the password have the width is 100% and padding 10 px. Okay, so you can see here input type submit and the select also here. Okay, so if I'm going to remove the box sizing, so you can see the effect. What is the box sizing? It will work. Here you can see width is the increasing because box sizing does not given any extra padding over the any tags. Okay, we need to understand, if you are giving the actual padding and the actual designing, then you need to use the box sizing in the universal selector. Okay, so I hope you understand better how we are using and why we are using the box sizing border box. It's very important to our in the web design basics. So thanks for watching.